guys, this is how it looks. The after road widening, yung pinatuloy ko ngayon ang aming tindahan. It's Pinay Life in the Philippines. Update. Di pa po tapos ang aming renovation, paggawa ng tindahan dahil di pa po tapos ang widening, road widening. Wala pang canals po. Ito po siya ngayon. From left to right. This is how it looks. Ito yung front ng tindahan. Ayun yung sasakyan namin. Ito yung way going to Navay. Neighbors' houses. Going down, Villa Cornejo, Cocolaba. Left side of the road. This is it. It's Mela Sari Sari Store.